like when nitrogen, like it's in the soil, so you can use it, and it can appear as a solid, liquid, or a gas, and usually a liquid or a gas. And then this is nitrogen as a liquid and a gas and a solid, and you can't see it as a gas. Like it's there, but you can't see it.
And then, is there another one? No. Okay. So nitrogen starts in the atmosphere as a gas, and then fixation converts nitrogen to a usable form, which is absorbed by plants and eaten by animals. And then after it's used by plants and eaten by animals, nitrogen returns to the atmosphere as a gas. And I think that there's a space for that to be filled in. So, no, there's not. What am I saying?
And that's,
yeah. No, it's already all filled in.
and that's called the nitrogen cycle.
Nitrogen fixation is when bacteria converts gaseous nitrogen in the soil to usable form.
A change in the nitrogen could affect the geosphere because plants might not grow as well without nitrogen in the soil.
And then at the bottom, there's a space for notes. And for notes, I want you to write down what could go wrong in human production of additional nitrogen nutrients disrupts the natural nitrogen cycle. Like naturally, there's a specific amount of nitrogen in the air and in Earth. And humans make extra, like they put it in soil, and that disrupts the cycle, so you can write that down in notes.
Okay. And the effects to the other systems. Nitrogen is in all of the spheres.
And nitrogen is a naturally occurring gas, and it affects all of the spheres, like Claire said. And so we're going to have everyone read it off. So who wants to read it first?
For atmosphere.
So the first space is atmosphere, and then we'll have someone read it off, and then they can choose someone else to read. Choose someone.
Okay, Gabby. What? You can read the atmosphere, the first bullet of effects to the other systems.
Okay, nitrogen is not usable when it gets lost in the atmosphere.
And so the first fill-in is atmosphere, and so nitrogen is not usable when it gets lost in the atmosphere. Okay, Gabby, go ahead, choose someone else to read.
When you eat or breathe, you are connecting with nitrogen.
Okay, and that one is biosphere, and also the animals eat and breathe. They're connecting with nitrogen.
Okay.
And then once you have that, so then yeah, you can choose something else. Yeah, whatever you want.
Next.
When fertilizer is washed into water, it pollutes the water.
And so I'm pretty sure you guys know which one that is. It's hydrosphere.
Nitrogen has fertilizer has nitrogen in it, so that's the connection. And Nick, you can pick someone.
When nitrogen gets lost in soil, it becomes unusable.
And that one's geosphere.
Is there any questions?
Kelly.
What was the second bullet? I was writing.
Biosphere.
And what was the second space? It was like another space like there. Freeze.
Oh.
So is there any questions about the nitrogen cycle, which is up here? No. So, I'll just restate it. So it starts in the atmosphere as a gas, and it comes down into animal proteins, which the animals eat, and then it goes through the fixation, which is bacteria. They fix nitrogen for the use of plants, and then it goes into the plant proteins and back up into the atmosphere as a gas.
What's nitrogen used for in the soil?
It's put in the soil, like when they sell fertilizer, and it helps the plants grow faster, I think. Well, yeah, it does. That's what it's used for. Hannah?
How healthy is your